This is The Life Cycle of the Star by Hamza Ali. First, of course, the forming of a star. Stars are created in nebulae, which are clouds of interstellar dust and gas. In these areas, hydrogen is fused together to create helium, which fuses with the hydrogen to create the star. This is the process of fusion. The normal star is now born. The normal star is the average size of a normal star, such as a sun, but sometimes when there is much more fusion happening, a massive star is formed, and that has a completely different life cycle, which I will be addressing at the same time as the normal or average star. After the normal star's life, which is about 10 billion years, it runs out of hydrogen to use. It then swells up to become a red giant. For the massive star, its lifespan is just a couple million years because it uses its hydrogen energy at a much faster rate. It becomes a red supergiant, which is much larger than the red giant. From the red giant from a normal star, it eventually sheds off the outer layer, becoming a planetary nebula, which is not actually a normal nebula, it has something else inside of it. For the red supergiant from the massive star, it blows up in an explosion called a supernova, which is brighter than the star's entire galaxy. From the planetary nebula, from the red giant from the normal star, what is in it is a white dwarf star. This star has no fusion and takes billions of years to fade away, and once it does, it becomes a black dwarf, which is still speculated about since all the white dwarfs are still older than the universe. For the supernova from the red supergiant from the massive star, depending on its mass, it either becomes a neutron star, which is an extremely dense star mainly composed of neutrons, or it becomes a black hole, which is something that's gravitational pull is so strong that not even light escapes it. Galaxies have supermassive black holes that keep the stars together in the middle of them. And that is the life cycle of a star.